Hello, hello, how are you? Now, today's topic is motor fitness test, chapter number test and measurement in sports. As earlier we do importance of test and measurement, now this next topic is motor fitness test. Very important motor fitness test. In this we have 50 meter standing, 600-meter run and walk, sit and reach, partial curl, push-ups for boys, modified push-ups for girls, standing board jump, agility, shuttle run. And one important thing, it is part of Khelo India program also, right? It is a part of Khelo India program. Even even though it is a part of your practical also, and it is very important. So first of all, 50-meter standing run. 50-meter standing run, what is the aim? Purpose. The aim of this test is determining acceleration and speed. This is only for acceleration and determining in speed. ये एक स्पीड और स्फूर्ति का काम है. इसमें क्या रिक्वायर्ड है? इक्विपमेंट्स, मेजरिंग टेप्स, mark track, stopwatch, cone marker, flat and clear surface, at least 70 meters because it is 50-meter race. Then procedure क्या है? This is a one time race, right? One time in the sense single maximum sprint. The test involved running as a single sprint over 50-meter with the time recorded. A through warm up should be given, including some practice, start and acceleration. Start from stationary standing position, hands cannot be touched to the ground, with one foot in front of other. The front foot should be behind and started line. Once the subject is, you can see the picture here. You can see the picture here. This is the 50-meter standing. यहाँ से आपने स्टार्ट करना है और यहाँ फिनिश करना है. दिस इज वन single run only, right? Now second is 600-meter walk. 600-meter run or walk. This is for equipment required. Procedure. Aim क्या है इसका? What is the aim? इसका aim है stamina. इसका aim है stamina. Equipment required is oval and running track, mark crowns, recording sheet and stopwatch. Same. You can see here. This is the track. Procedure. 600-meter walk, run can be organized on a track, on a footpath field, or an open area marked for the purpose. In this test item, a subject run a distance of 600 meter. The subject take a standing start from the start line. The subject may walk in between. May walk, right? May. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि walk करे. जब feel tired, he can. However, the subject, it is over the distance in the shortest time. When he cross the finish line, he is finished the race. Scoring क्या होगी? Is the time taken to run the distance is recorded in minute and second. Next is sit and reach. This is sit and reach. The purpose, इसका purpose क्या है? The sit and reach test is significant test to measure the flexibility of hip region including the lower back and hamstring muscles. Generally, it is noted that owing to the lack of flexibility in this region, there is a greater risk of injury. It is also and indulge with lumbar lordosis and lower back pain, right? Sit and reach test. Equipment required. Sit and reach box are marked. Shifted ruler on the box may be used in the which the zero mark can be adjusted for next each individual according to their sitting each level because there is a variation of length and individual arm's length. Procedure. This test involve sitting on the floor with the legs stretched out straight ahead. Shoes should be removed. The sole of the feet are placed flat against the box. Both knees should be locked and pressed flat on the top of each. The tester may assist by holding them to down with the palm facing downward and the hands on the top of each other are or side by side. The subject reach forward along the measuring line as far as possible. Ensure that the hands remain at the same level. Do not one reaching further forward the other. After some practice, the subject reach out and hold the position for the 1 or 2 seconds while the distance is recorded. Mark. Sure. इसमें हम पैरों को सीधा रखें तो पश्चिमोत्तान यू कैन से इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ पश्चिमोत्तानासन. पैरों को बिल्कुल सीधा रखना है, सरफेस के साथ सीधा रखिए और धीरे धीरे उस अपनी टो को टच करना है और होल्ड करना है. राइट, होल्ड करना है. देन ए पार्शियल कर्ल जिसको हम आज की डेट में सिटअप्स बोलते हैं, दैट इज़ पार्शियल कर्ल. पार्शियल कर्ल. What is the purpose of partial curl? Thus, to test the strength and endurance of abdominal muscles. In fact, strong abdominal muscles are significant for maintaining good posture, hip alignment, and the preventing lower back. ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसमें आप एब्डोमिनल पेट की सारी एक्सरसाइज और पेट को स्ट्रेंथ मिलती है. इक्विपमेंट्स, इसमें कुछ भी इक्विपमेंट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ एक स्टॉप वॉच चाहिए आपको. दैट्स इट. प्रोसीजर. ले डाउन ऑन द बैक with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor and your heel about 18 inches away from the behind. Place your arm at your side, palm down, fingerprints next to hips. Place a ruler next to your finger in the position and measure 6 inch further. You can put a piece of paper and ruler itself. And the piece of tape are 6 inch mark. Keep your hand on the floor throughout the test. Just like abdominal crunches, engage the abs to lift your head, neck and shoulder blades off the floor, but allow your fingertips to slide forward the 6 inch marker. Return to the starting position to complete one repetition. Repeat this as many as you possible in 60 seconds. 1 मिनट के लिए टास्क है. काउंटिंग ओनली द नंबर ऑफ रेपिटेशन दैट यू फिंगरप्रिंट टिप्स सक्सेसफुली रीच द 6 inch marker. You may rest in the starting position. This is the procedure. Then push-ups. You know push-ups for boys. What is the benefit of push-ups? The test is measure the upper body strength and endurance. The push-up test measures muscular strength and endurance. This measures strength of the endurance of chest, shoulder and triceps. Equipment required, the stopwatch required and nothing else. Procedure. The standard push-ups begin with the hand and the toes touching the floor, the body and legs in a straight line. Feel slightly apart, the arm and at shoulder wide apart, extended and a right angle to the body, keeping the back and knee. The subject lower the body to a predetermined point, predeterminated point to touch some other object or until there is a 90-degree angle at the elbow. Then return back to the starting position with the arm extended. Modify इसमें modify push-ups है, that is for girls, right? Same, nothing required. Procedure. Begin in the knee position on the mat with hand below shoulder and knee behind hips so that the back is angled and long. Tuck toes under, tighten abdominal and bend elbow to lower chest forward toward the floor. Keep your gaze in front of your fingertips so neck stays long. Press chest back up to start position. Repeat repetition for 30 seconds. This is a 30-second or boys for 60 seconds. Then next is standing board jump. This is standing long jump. ये सब आपका फिजिकल एजुकेशन के प्रैक्टिकल में ये सारी टास्क होनी है. द स्टैंडिंग लॉन्ग जंप इज कॉल्ड बोर्ड जंप ऑल्सो. इट इज़ अ कॉमन एंड ईजी administration test for explosive leg strength. Purpose: to measure the explosive leg strength. Equipment required: tape and measurement distance, jump, non-slip foot, floor to take off and soft landing area preferred. Procedure: the athletes stand behind the line mark on the ground with feet slightly apart. A 2-foot take off and landing is used with swinging of the arm and bending on the knee to provide forward drive. The subject attempt to jump as far as possible, landing on both feet with falling backward. 3 attempts are allowed. Scoring: the measurement is taken place takeoff line to the nearest point to contact on the landing. Record the longer distance jump, the best 3 jumps. अब है 10 मीटर्स एजिलिटी शटल रन. यू नो शटल रन, इसमें आपको शटल रन आना जाना करना है. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आल्सो. दिस टेस्ट एजिलिटी एंड स्पीड, मेजर एजिलिटी एंड स्पीड while running between 2 lines apart 10 meters. Pick up the cone. Purpose: this is a test of speed, body control and agility of change direction. Equipment requires 2 wooden blocks of each runner. Each block should be measured 10 into 5 into 5 centimeter. Mark cones and making tape, measurement tape, stopwatch, flat non-slip surface with the 2 lines 10 meters apart. Pre-test: explain the test procedure to the subject. Perform scrutiny on the health risks and obtain informed content. Prepare form and record basic information such as age, height, body weight, gender, test condition. Measure and mark out score. Ensure that subjects are adequately warm up. See more detail for test procedure. Mark two line 10 meter apart using marking tape or cones. The 2 blocks are placed on the line opposite the line may are going to start at on the signal ready. The participants place their front foot behind the standing line. On the signal go, the participant sprint to the opposite line, pick up the cone run back and place it beyond the starting line, then turning without a rest to retrieve the second cone and carry to the back across the finish line. Repeat this procedure 4 times, twice 2 trial are performed. This is a motor fitness test. Scoring. Record the time to complete the test in record, second and nearest determined place. The score is the better of the 2 times.